It's a trade-in. It's a 2013 Newmar Ventana. The model number is 4346. Under 49,000 kilometers. This thing is absolutely unreal. Full body paint on the outside, 43 feet long. We got the Cummins turbo diesel, 380 horsepower motor, ladder out back, backup camera. Take a look at this massive slide with a slide topper, with a window awning. Absolutely amazing. And folks, this coach is scheduled to not only get the batteries recharged or replaced, but all of the tires on the outside are getting replaced. Awning on top of that door. Love it. Look at this outside TV. It's huge. Basement door number 1. Number 2, sliding tray. It slides on both sides. More storage, couple extra tiles. All right, let's go. All right, walking into the Ventana. And we just shut this door. Ah. Wow. 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 Opposing sofas. Of course, that converts to a bed. That converts to a bed. We got daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Ceramic floors. That table does extend. The extension is actually underneath the bed. Speaking of extension, that actually slides right out. Big Sony TV right here in the living area. Beautiful countertops. That's the real deal. Look at this backsplash. That's also the real deal. Frigidaire, microwave, 3-burner stove. We have 60/40 sink. What's behind this door? Let's take a look. This is a bath and a half floor plan, folks. So this is the half bath. Same beautiful countertops. Of course, Newmar is well known for their woodwork. Even in 2013, they did a great job. Is that a bidet? I love those bidets. Right on. All right. We got ourselves a residential style fridge. Oh my goodness. Now I know why this coach is looking so great. Dawn Somerville has gotten her little hands on this. In fact, I was told, stay away. She worked on this for 3 or 4 days and did a fantastic job. It looks great. Thank you, Dawn, and also thank you for not beating me up. Appreciate it. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, is it Star Trek time? I think so. I love Star Trek time. It's my favorite part. All right, let's keep going. All right, we did the half bath, we did the fridge. Let's go to the master bedroom. Okay. I absolutely love this master bedroom. We have opposing slides, so in the master bedroom makes for lots and lots of room. Guys, king size bed. I mean, that's got to be bigger than a king size. I don't know, what do you even call it? Super king? That is absolutely huge. Lots of room over on this side. Still roomy. We got double doors here to close everything up. Take a look at this. That shuts like so. And voila. I gotta point out these ceramic tiles. Look at the floor. Super shiny. Carpet's in great shape. Oh yeah, folks, I do it. Like full disclosure. So typically 2013, you want to check out for leathers, right? Because leathers do wear out with time. The leathers in this coach are in great shape. However, they're not perfect. You see here, a little wear here. Slight wear here. But you know what? This one looks really good. Just gonna go close up here. That's also good. Yeah, no, that's good too. All right, so slight imperfections, 2013. We're not gonna fix that. It'll be priced accordingly. Okay, where are we at? Let's go back to the master bedroom. Oh no, we're done the master bedroom, aren't we? Let's keep going. How about the master bath? Let's go. Sink. Medicine cabinet. Push button ceramic toilet. Absolutely beautiful shower with a skylight. Done. Fantastic job, looking good. I didn't have a chance to look at this before she cleaned it. I'm going to assume that the previous owner took good care of it, or Dawn just did an exceptional job. Wow. Okay, yes, walk-in closet, folks. So, double door here again, and they hide right into the wall. Yeah, we got ourselves a washer dryer. You know what that means? You can live in this thing. Let me just walk into the walk-in closet. There's a safe. That's for all your gas money. Absolutely incredible. Of course, that's the access hatch to the motor that's in the rear. Folks, if you are looking for a high quality Newmar 2013, you don't want to spend the $1 million for a new one. I understand the new ones are expensive. This used one here is going to be priced under $250, I believe. Check the website. We update it every 3 hours. Just under 49,000 kilometers. It's here. It's ready to show. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. For you US shoppers out there, that is on the east coast of Canada. Just a couple of hours away from Halifax. See you guys soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.